Howdy, partners. Today we round up all the best eats from the 20 most famous saloons in the Wild West. So grab your spurs and your appetite, because we about to embark on a culinary adventure that'll make you feel like you've been transported back in time to the good old days of the Wild West. We'll travel from Texas to Montana and beyond, sampling all the classic dishes that cowboys and saloon girls alike used to gobble up. From hearty stews to mouth-watering barbecue, we'll show you what it really means to feast like a cowboy. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover all the best eats from the 20 most famous saloons in the Wild West. Number 20. Chicken Cordon Bleu at the Silver Dollar Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. Step into the historic Silver Dollar Saloon and treat yourself to a taste of Europe with their famous chicken cordon bleu. This dish consists of a breaded chicken breast stuffed with ham and cheese, served alongside a rich and creamy sauce. It's a hearty and satisfying meal that's sure to stick to your ribs. And if you're feeling extra hungry, be sure to order one of their massive loaves of bread to soak up all the delicious juices. Number 19. Bison Steak at the Last Chance Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. For a taste of the Wild West, try the bison steak at the Last Chance Saloon. This dish is made with fresh, never-frozen bison meat cooked low and slow until it's medium rare and topped with a tangy barbecue sauce. The steak is so tender and delicious you'll want to eat every bite. And do not forget to pair it with one of their famous whiskey sours for the ultimate saloon experience. Number 18. Shrimp Plate at the Palace Saloon, Tombstone, Arizona. Head on down to the Palace Saloon in Tombstone, Arizona, and dig into their famous shrimp plate. This heaping plate of goodness is loaded with plump, juicy shrimp cooked to perfection and served with a side of crispy fries. It's a must-try for seafood lovers and a great option for those looking to add some variety to their Western fare. Do you want to forget to top it off with one of their signature Bloody Marys for a truly unforgettable meal? Number 17. Salmon Push Pop at the Red Dog Saloon, Deadwood, South Dakota. Feeling adventurous? Try the Salmon Push Pop at the Red Dog Saloon in Deadwood, South Dakota. This dish takes fresh salmon, pushes it through a special tool, and serves it up in a souvenir cup to enjoy on the go. It's a fun, tasty, and unique way to experience this popular fish. And while you're there, be sure to try one of their ice-cold microbrews for the perfect pairing. Number 16. Beef Brisket at the Silver Star Saloon, San Antonio, Texas. If you're in San Antonio, Texas, stop by the Silver Star Saloon for their legendary beef brisket. Slow cooked to perfection, this dish will literally fall apart at your touch. The smoky, savory flavor of the brisket is complemented by a side of creamy coleslaw and a generous helping of beans. It's a true Texas barbecue masterpiece and a must-try for any foodie. Do not forget to wash it down with a mug of sweet tea for the ultimate comfort food experience. Number 15. Turkey Leg at the Birdcage Theater, Tombstone, Arizona. Transport yourself back in time by indulging in the famous turkey leg at the Birdcage Theater in Tombstone, Arizona. This dish is prepared by slowly roasting an entire turkey until it's golden-hued and succulent, then carving it up into individual portions for you to devour. The juicy, flavorful meat is simply irresistible and pairs perfectly with a side of mashed potatoes and gravy. And for a truly authentic experience, be sure to grab a mug of horchata to wash it all down. Number 14. Pork Chops at the Palace Saloon, Tombstone, Arizona. Craving something a little more substantial than your average saloon fare? Head on over to the Palace Saloon in Tombstone, Arizona, and sink your teeth into their famous pork chops. These thick-cut pork chops are grilled to perfection, topped with a tangy applesauce that adds a burst of sweetness to the savory pork. It's a comforting and satisfying meal that's sure to leave you feeling full and happy. And do not forget to pair it with one of their selection of fine wines for a truly memorable dining experience. Number 13. Fried Green Tomatoes at the Silver Dollar Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. It's looking for a unique appetizer to share with your friends. Look no further than the fried green tomatoes at the Silver Dollar Saloon in Virginia City, Montana. These unripe tomatoes are sliced and dipped in a savory batter. Before, it's being deep-fried to perfection and sprinkled with salt and pepper. The result is a crispy, tangy appetizer that's perfect for sharing. And don't forget to dip it into their signature ranch dressing for an extra burst of flavor. Number 12. Barbecue Ribs at the Long Branch Saloon, Abilene, Kansas. For a taste of true Texas barbecue, head on over to the Long Branch Saloon in Abilene, Kansas, and indulge in their famous barbecue ribs. These ribs are slow-cooked for hours until they re-so tender you can literally fall off the bone. The rich, smoky flavor of the ribs is complemented by a side of creamy coleslaw and a hefty loaf of bread for sopping up all the delicious juices. It's a finger-licking good time and a must-try for any barbecue lover. Don't forget to wash it down with a mug of sweet tea for the ultimate barbecue experience. Number 11. Prime Rib at the Occidental Hotel and Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. You're in Virginia City, Montana? Be sure to check out the Occidental Hotel and Saloon, where you can enjoy one of the finest cuts of meat in the country, their famous prime rib. This dish is made with high-quality beef cooked super slow to keep it wall-to-wall medium rare. The result is a melt-in-your-mouth experience that's sure to impress even the most discerning diners. Pair it with a glass of red wine for the perfect meal. Number 10. Crab Cakes at the Gold Dust Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. Craving something a little more decadent? Indulge in the delicious crab cakes at the Gold Dust Saloon in Virginia City, Montana. These cakes are made with fresh lump crab meat and a blend of spices and herbs. Then pan-seared to perfection and served with a side of remoulade sauce. The result is a dish that's both luxurious and comforting and sure to satisfy your cravings. And if you're feeling extra hungry, be sure to order a side of French fries to dip into all that delicious remoulade sauce. Number 9. Philly cheesesteak at McGlynn's Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. If you're in the mood for a cheesesteak, look no further than McGlynn's Saloon in Virginia City, Montana. Their famous Philly cheesesteak is made with thin slices of steak and melted cheese on a toasted hoagie roll and served with a side of fries. Woo! It's a classic pub grub, done right, and sure to satisfy your hunger. And if you're feeling extra hungry, be sure to order a side of onion rings for a truly indulgent meal. Number 8. Meatloaf at the Commodore Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. Comfort food lovers rejoice. At the Commodore Saloon in Virginia City, Montana, their famous meatloaf is a must-try. Made with a blend of ground beef, pork, and veal, this meatloaf is baked to perfection and served with a side of mashed potatoes and gravy. It's a hearty, satisfying meal that's perfect for a cold winter's night. And do not forget to pair it with one of their signature cocktails for the ultimate cozy night in. Number 7. Lobster Thermidor at the Palace Saloon, Tombstone, Arizona. Feeling extra fancy? Treat yourself to the Lobster Thermidor at the Palace Saloon in Tombstone, Arizona. This classic French dish features chunks of lobster meat simmered in a rich and creamy sauce made with wine, butter, and herbs. It's a luxurious and flavorful experience that's sure to impress. If you're feeling extra indulgent, be sure to order a side of caviar to add an extra touch of decadence to your meal. Number 6. Shrimp and Grits at the Last Chance Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. Looking for a taste of the South? Try the Shrimp and Grits at the Last Chance Saloon in Virginia City, Montana. This traditional low-country dish features shrimp and cheese grits cooked in a flavorful broth and topped with a dollop of sour cream. It's a comforting and satisfying meal that's perfect for a cozy night in. And don't forget to pair it with one of their famous margaritas for a truly authentic experience. Number 5. Oysters Rockefeller at the Gold Dust Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. If you're an oyster lover, you won't want to miss the Oysters Rockefeller at the Gold Dust Saloon in Virginia City, Montana. These fresh oysters are baked with spinach in a rich, creamy sauce, then topped with melted cheese and broil until bubbly and brown. It's a decadent and flavorful dish that's sure to impress even the most discerning diners. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, be sure to try them on the half shell for a truly authentic experience. Number 4. Fried chicken at the Birdcage Theater, Tombstone, Arizona. Nothing says comfort food like a good old-fashioned fried chicken. And at the Birdcage Theater in Tombstone, Arizona, their version of this classic dish is not to be missed. The chicken is brined and marinated before being dredged in a seasoned flour mixture and fried to golden perfection. The result is a juicy, flavorful bird that's perfect for sharing with friends. And do not forget to pair it with a side of mashed potatoes and gravy for the ultimate comfort food experience. Number 3. Jambalaya at the Last Chance Saloon, Deadwood, South Dakota. For a taste of New Orleans, head on down to the Last Chance Saloon in Deadwood, South Dakota, and dig into their famous jambalaya. This hearty rice dish is packed with sausage, chicken, shrimp, and vegetables in a flavorful broth. It's a spicy, satisfying meal that's perfect for a cold winter's night. And don't forget to top it off with one of their famous Bloody Marys for a truly unforgettable experience. Number 2. Monte Cristo Sandwich at the Occidental Hotel and Saloon, Virginia City, Montana. If you're in the mood for a Monte Cristo sandwich, look no further than the Occidental Hotel and Saloon in Virginia City, Montana.
This classic sandwich features ham, turkey, and cheese on a grilled sourdough bread,
Then topped with a side of fruit for a sweet and savory combo. It's a perfect brunch option and a must-try for anyone who loves a good sandwich. And if you're feeling extra hungry, be sure to order a side of home fries to soak up all the delicious juices. Number 1. Baked potato at the Long Branch Saloon, Abilene, Kansas. Who would have thought a baked potato could be so exciting? But at the Long Branch Saloon in Abilene, Kansas, it's a must-try. This humble spud is loaded with all the fixings, including shredded cheese, bacon bits, sour cream, and chives. It's a filling and flavorful meal that's perfect for a quick lunch. And don't forget to pair it with one of their signature cocktails for the ultimate saloon experience. Well, partners, that'll do it for our tours of the 20 most antiquated famous saloons in the Wild West. Which one of these classic dishes are you hankering for the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for more rooting tootin' good times.